What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be reviewing the Miniso X28 AI translator earbuds. So this is one of the best-selling earbuds right now in the market. So one of the most highlighted feature is AI translations. So the form factor is open ear true wireless, and it also got an adaptive noise cancellation. So let's just read about the item: Miniso malfunctioning AI headphones and multi-language translator earbuds, open ear headphones. Bluetooth version is 5.4. Versatility. These versatility are designed to excel in the various scenarios, including driving, climbing. So the design is very human favorite and a very good design that can be wear in any sort of conditions. So what the actual reviews are, let's read about the reviews on the Amazon website. Let's just dive right into it. So I bought them because it said translate earbuds so I can hear the language the other person is saying, but sadly it did not do that. Only works as normal earbud, which I do not do. I don't need that, so disappointed. But somehow this person got 5-star review. So during my continuing quest to find the Goldilocks for open earphones, I stumbled upon these bright neon headphones. One misleading thing is that it does not translate what the other person is saying. So this is one of the factors. So this is the review that you want to know about it. So I hope you find this really helpful.